Tesla has released a new video featuring a prototype of its humanoid robot, Optimus. The video showcases the robot sorting batteries and navigating through an office. The video sparked debates as some believe Tesla lags far behind competitors in the field of robotics. Meanwhile, Elon Musk stated that the number of degrees of freedom of Optimus's arms will double, from 11 to 22, representing a significant advancement in this invention. The CEO is confident that by the end of 2025, Tesla will begin selling Optimus to customers. Positioned as a versatile two-legged humanoid robot, Optimus is marketed as an assistant capable of tackling tasks deemed dangerous, routine, or strenuous. The video demonstrates the robot performing certain tasks using deep neural networks. Optimus moves batteries from one tray to another, initially autonomously and later in collaboration with an industrial robot. Tesla also showcased engineers training robots, likely using virtual reality systems. Milan Kovac, the lead engineer of the Optimus project at Tesla, shared information about the robot's development progress. The team has trained and deployed a neural network that allows the android to perform useful tasks, such as collecting battery cells coming off the assembly line and precisely inserting them into trays. Tesla is currently working to make Optimus faster and to teach it to adapt to more complex terrain conditions. Last month, Elon Musk announced that Optimus is already performing factory tasks in the lab and will be used for real tasks at Tesla factories by the end of the year. The most impressive achievement of Gen 2 is undoubtedly its dexterous hands. According to Musk, the number of degrees will be increased to 22, enabling Optimus to perform more complex tasks requiring greater agility. However, everything Tesla showcased in the Gen 2 update was done through remote control of the robots. Meanwhile, Tesla faces stiff competition in this evolving market. For example, from companies like Figure and Boston Dynamics. Meet PR2, one of the most advanced research robots ever created. Its powerful hardware and software enables it to perform tasks such as clearing tables, folding towels, and fetching drinks from the fridge. While it lacks humanoid characteristics, it boasts several significant strengths: self-trainability, dexterity, and attention to details. Under the leadership of Peter Abil, a team from the University of California in Berkeley can teach PR2 to pay bills, cook, and fetch beer from the fridge back in 2010. Recently, this team of researchers demonstrated an accelerated AI learning method. With the new algorithm, the mass-produced PR2 robot learns by simply observing humans. For specific tasks, it only requires a single demonstration. In the latest versions, the robot has learned to understand printed instructions for household appliances and perform actions it wasn't explicitly taught, such as making coffee using an unfamiliar coffee maker. Due to its high trainability, PR2 is currently one of the primary candidates for inclusion in an interplanetary expedition to Mars as one of the first colonists. An interesting fact about this unique robot is that it has expanded its functional capabilities by adding additional hooks and grippers when the need arose to transport more items than could fit on the original design. The robot's memory contains drawings of its construction prepared in a special CAD format, allowing PR2 to know the exact location of each screw and part. The robot is also capable of accepting assistance from humans. Using a system of position and motion recognition, the robot can determine which part a person is indicating to it. After mastering the art of screwing and unscrewing bolts, PR2 was able to engage not only in self-repair, but also in upgrading its own design to make it more adapted to the current task. Meet the Cyber Gladiator, the pinnacle of modern armor technology, brought to life by bionic concepts. This masterpiece combines form and function in a stunning display of innovation and design. Crafted from polished aluminum, the Cyber Gladiator boasts a construction 1/16 of an inch thick, providing unparalleled strength and durability. Its fully articulated metal armor is complemented by integrated blue flat panel lights, not just for aesthetics, but to enhance visibility and presence in any environment. What sets the Cyber Gladiator apart is its attention to detail and comfort. Stretch elements seamlessly hold the armor segments together, allowing for a skin-tight fit with fluid motion. Inside, soft fabric lining ensures maximum comfort during wear, making you forget you're clad in metal. Powered by a single 9-volt battery housed in a pocket-sized inverter battery pack, the Cyber Gladiator is ready for action at a moment's notice. Black Velcro straps secure the armor to your arm, ensuring a snug and secure fit around your wrist and upper bicep. Bionic Concepts also unveiled its latest innovation, the Deluxe Metal Biomechanical Spinal Armor V1.5, setting a new standard in futuristic fashion and protection. This striking piece of armor combines robust full-metal construction with captivating glowing vertebrae, creating a visually stunning and technologically advanced accessory. This armor features RGB light effects and a Dreamcolor controller sequencer, offering a multitude of customization options. With nearly 100 rolling light patterns, speed control, brightness adjustment, and solid color selection, wearers can express their unique style with ease. Operated by an RF remote control and powered by 4 AA batteries, the device illuminates any ensemble with its captivating presence. Complete with adjustable straps and snap-on connectors for a secure fit, as well as a discrete on-off switch located at the nape of the neck, this armor seamlessly blends style and functionality. Designed by Oregon startup Robotics, Alina is a robot designed to create a more human interface between the user and their smart speaker. The robotic bust has 6 digital motors inside that move its head, eyes, and mouth with a malleable silicone face stretched over the top. It helps people get used to the idea of having robots all around you. The robotic head is made using aluminum frame and move with heavy-duty robot dynamixels and high-efficiency PWM servo motors. They feature voice recognition or synthesis, onboard camera for vision and object tracking. Robotics says the robot has applications as a companion device or as a connection robot to help teach those with difficulties understanding human facial expressions. Meet the Ardo 1 from Naver Labs, a drawing robot that learns from humans the ability to touch the brush. It consists of an interactive haptic technology for precise force control. It also has a cloud brain that handles thousands of motions. Ardo 1 learns people's taste and intelligence, so it knows what happens when a person moves the brush with what force, at what speed, and at what angle, and makes its own decisions. This is due to interactive haptic technology that precisely controls force, cloud computing that combines and commands thousands of movements, and sophisticated manipulation of hardware. The robot draws pictures on the iPad, a digital canvas, using a manipulator capable of torque control of 4 degrees of freedom. Japanese scientists have created a 6-legged spider robot that can climb stairs and also see in the dark and distinguish colors. The robot, named Hexa, was developed by researchers from the Japanese company Vincross. It can be controlled using smartphone. This 6-legged device is 15 centimeters tall and 40 centimeters in diameter. The robot is equipped with Wi-Fi, a camera, and a sensor, allowing it to move in a specified direction on its own. Anywhere, even climb stairs, say the developers. The device's battery lasts for only 4 hours. The developers plan to make the robot available to the general public quite soon. Hexa's work can be programmed to perform a variety of tasks. For example, developers have taught the robot to carry indoor plants and take care of them. On the official Hexa website, it can be ordered for $950. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. See you next time.